I don't think you should be a digital nomad. So before I explain my reasoning behind why you should not be a digital nomad, I want to show you the view from the place I am currently in right now in downtown Toronto. So I wanted to show you guys downtown Toronto before I make this video. Look at that, that's Brampton and Mississauga there. That's Yorkville area, but yeah, this camera does not do it justice because I just do not know how to use it, but it's a dope view from here. Now that you saw the view, I guess I'll get into the topic of why I believe it's not a really smart idea to become a digital nomad. So as you guys know, this year I have traveled all around the world. I've been to Tokyo, Japan, Bali, Indonesia, LA, Miami, New York, Orange County, multiple different places. And even though I've been traveling a lot, living the laptop lifestyle, being a digital nomad for a bit, I realized that it's not really the best idea for many people, or not something that people should really do. And the reason I say that is because of this one word and one word only. It's called momentum. What I've realized is that when you go to a new environment, you kind of have to adjust your mindset, your body, yourself, your workflow into that environment. For example, when I was in Toronto in April, right, I had an amazing month. I was just working every day. I was in the right, I had a good routine going on, and then I had amazing momentum, amazing mindset going into Bali. And in Bali, I had plans to record my new course there, do so much more things with my agency. And the minute I landed in Bali, for the next 2 days, it was so hard for me to work. And that was because, my momentum got killed because of first the flight, adjusting the sleep schedule, adjusting the environment, and just kind of was in a whole new environment, whole new culture, and a different vibe overall from Toronto. Even though that is not a bad thing, what started to happen was, I started to relax a little bit more. Bali is a place where you just want to relax. You want to chill, you want to kind of explore the beach, you want to try new food, and you're not really thinking about sitting down, grinding, and just creating something big, especially when you're in places like Bali, Colombia, Thailand, right? LA, Miami. You want to kind of visit, do some touristy stuff instead of actually working. And while you can still do that, while you can still work and chill and run your business, I really just don't think it is the right thing to do, especially when you are trying to build something big. I don't know about you guys, but I really believe that I am, destined to just do something great in this world. I really believe that my potential is higher than where I'm currently at right now, where I'm, how I'm currently working right now. And I believe it's the same with a lot of people. I really believe that even though you can chill and work at the same time while being a digital nomad, visit amazing places, I really do believe that your potential is higher. You can be doing something greater than that. You're missing out on a lot of your potential, and you could be doing something much greater. And that is why I'm actually gonna move downtown. So this is actually not my place, this is my friend Rachel's place, but I'm about to move downtown and literally for 6 months not travel unless it's family related and business related. And that is because I really want to put my head down and build something big and just be in a state of mind where I am just working on this one thing and just kind of like grind it out and create a momentum that does not go away. Because I believe that when you're in an environment and when you are not adjusting every little thing, adjusting your diet, adjusting your environment, adjusting your state of mind, adjusting the people you meet, I really believe that you can do something big. And like I said before, I am not saying that you cannot do something great while still traveling the world. A lot of people have done it. I just believe that a lot of great amount of success requires a lot of sacrifices, and you have to be willing to sacrifice short-term pleasure for long-term benefit. And I really do believe that whatever I'm working on right now long-term can help me out a lot and really be the next big thing. And for that to happen, I need to really just sit down in one location and work. And I'm not saying I'm not gonna chill. I really want to chill, but I want to be in a position where I am not thinking about work when I'm chilling. Like when I was in Bali, there's a lot of days where the first 10 days I actually did not do anything. I just worked, right? But it was kind of hard for me to work because I was kind of slowly working on getting that momentum back. And that is what I've seen with a lot of places I've traveled to. So I would go to a new place, adjust to the new different things that they have there, and then kind of like slowly build back the momentum. And I don't know about you guys, but in my experience, just after you have momentum going on, stopping that and starting again, that's the hardest part. A mentor likes to put it this way: you can, the reason when they do a rocket launch, what they do is they actually use the majority of the fuel just to take it off the ground, right? Just to get it off the ground and get it into orbit. orbit. Once it's in orbit, it's basically on autopilot. You don't have to use that much fuel, and it's actually running by itself. And that's how he explains our workflow. What we want to do is make sure that we're kind of always in orbit and we're not landing and kind of taking off again, because as he says, it takes a lot of fuel, a lot of energy, a lot of mind power for you to kind of start again and do that thing again and again, and it's just very tiring. And I'm telling you, once you have momentum going, just riding that momentum and riding that wave is so much more beneficial than kind of start the wave again, stop it, start the wave and stop it. So I really don't think I'm gonna be a digital nomad anytime soon, because I have this two huge projects I'm working on, and I really just need to stay at one place and kind of work and be able to just kind of grind that out, and just be in a mindset and have the momentum to kind of create something big. And as I said, I'm not saying I'm not going to stop traveling. I'll definitely travel maybe once a month, go out for a weekend where I do not have to focus on work, but I want, like I said, I want to be in a position where I'm not thinking about work. In Bali, even though I was chilling, I was relaxing, I was still thinking about work, and that taught me a lot about business in general, right? Because I thought that you can live this laptop lifestyle, chill, but no, I was actually thinking about work even when I was visiting Ubud, even when I was going to the beach, and I just don't want to be in a position when I'm doing that all the time. Alright guys, that is it for the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I just talked some, I guess I gave some knowledge. I don't know, you guys are the people that are going to decide if this was helpful or not. Take my advice. I mean, if you don't take my advice, go ahead and experiment with it. At least it didn't work out for me. I really believe that to create something big, you have to stay in one place and kind of just grind it out, because as Sam Owen says, man, death by 1,000 cuts. When you move to a new place, you don't know, but little stuff, little decisions that you have to make, little changes you have to make, really kind of take your energy, kind of take your time away, and that kind of adds up, and it will kind of be a roadblock when you're trying to do something big or when you're trying to work. And instead of doing that, just stay in one place, have something, have a set routine, and you will just build something crazy after that. And yeah, you don't have to take a time to adjust from things to things. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. I really appreciate all the support. I hope you guys like my outfit. I really like this shirt, but I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Remember, your potential is higher than what you think, and I want you to do great things. I'll see you guys later, live from Toronto. Bye.